So we're out here at a nursery in Charlotte, North Carolina. We figured we'd come together and show you guys some things that can and should be planted during the fall and winter time.
This is a sky pencil holly, and these are really good to put around your air conditioning units to do a little bit of screening. Also really good for tight spaces such as courtyards or tight fence lines where you can squeeze. They grow vertical and they don't get very wide. They stay green all year round. You can also shape them into a spiral or more of a boxy, or you can let them grow in their natural state, which will be more vertical and upright. These are really popular and they're a great plant to incorporate in your landscape. This is the upright Podocarpus. So it's also called the Japanese umbrella pine. This is a really great screening plant that has some evergreen interest, so it will be green all year round. Very low maintenance, does not require a ton of water, and you could even put Christmas lights on it because it's kind of Christmas tree-ish.
Yeah, really make it pop.
Yes.
Nice, I like it.
Be great to put around your air conditioning unit, on the corner of your house, along your fence line. I would plant these in sun or shade, and the water requirements are fairly low once they're established.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. So pretty low maintenance plant.
Pretty low maintenance. Isn't it nice?
Yeah,
It feels
like
nice.
It just makes you want to bring your hand to it.
It's really nice. I love these Charlie Brown Christmas trees. I know Jolanda's favorite is to have a Christmas tree. She's like, everybody has to have a Christmas tree in their yard.
Yep.
This is not a Christmas tree, but these are the green giants. These things get like 100 feet tall.
So these are arborvitaes, more specifically a green giant arborvitae. Amanda, what we got and what do we know about our green giants?
So these ones you can use as a screening along the perimeter of your yard, but make sure you give them ample space because these beautiful green giants are going to get 40 to 60 feet tall, probably 10 to 15 feet wide, and they're going to provide you the optimal coverage, both height and width, to screen against your neighbors.
So if you couldn't already tell, we absolutely love our plants. Thanks for checking us out, and continue to learn and watch along as we teach you more about the landscaping and the plants that you could put in your yard.